wanna subscribe, wanna like it, wanna share. Just do the right thing, you know what I mean? Organ babe, some soup I know.
What kind of soup is?
Some pumpkin soup.
The hot man.
Yeah man, just done. You know what I mean? But
That...
alright, boy, take your time now.
It's hot. No man, couldn't get a catch off my tongue. It's hot man, you couldn't cool it first before you give me.
Look like you like it soup, you know, but guess what? A long time I do this thing, you know. Well professional, you know what I mean? So, you know what I do? I'm gonna put a little extra, I take my time and make sure it's right for you. You know what I mean? Yeah man. But you are going. You see, me not really rush things still, but based upon what I go on, I understand see your mother dead and all of these things. I don't say if you stay, you know? Because you see you shop up a country, it's that shop there. Right? You understand, say you're attached to it, but you have to let it go. I don't say a thing there. Yeah? So nobody feel say me I rush if you do nothing still, but you know where you belong. Yes sir.
You remember say my mother didn't know and my mother that. Me not have no more mother. Me have to go to a funeral and mother want you to come. The shop thing when you talk about, you think a little bit of money me spend on it. I remember say you give me money to buy how much stuff you put in there, how much item in the shop and say, no me fi just walk well if you shop so. Me can't do that. And me never plan to leave country and live down here forever and ever.
Me no feel say me I go to the funeral there, you know, cause when she was alive, me no know her like that and me never up there. And you know, knowing how me stay on my, you know, standard and all of this thing, me no want them feel like say I dead left me I come up the far. You understand? Because me no depend on something there. So guess what now? Me no feel say me I go to the funeral. Can't go make it.
Babe, you know say my mother and she dead. Me understand when you say you can't go, but me have to go. And last time me I go see her, me have to go. Me can't stay down here and no go because me know my family them stay. Me have to go man, me have to go, but you could have just changed your mind and come.
Well man, I'm telling you this. You see, I'm gonna make you go now because yeah, what you have to make sense. But guess what go on now? As the funeral done, as cock take off in jars up there, you find back yourself, don't you sir? You understand that? Right away, because don't see your life to now. Remember say the connection way up there, say your mother gone now, so we are connect up there somewhere.
Jano star, yo.
What go on man?
Pull on pony car.
For me?
Yeah man, you that man, I know them I see I'm a dream.
Pumper!
Where you going with boss?
I'm there man. Respect man, boss out art here cause feed them that.
Say now I go walk.
Yeah man, I soon go work man, I soon get ready for go work and thing, you know what I mean?
Are you alone there?
No man, you know, browning in there, you know?
A lie. So from the brown in there, and I'm like, can you come out of the house, go and catch fresh air? But you man, you have him man lock up in the house.
Catch fish fresh air. Them your boy, them your dirty dog upon the lane, yeah? No sir, no fresh air for
Brother, you cannot watch your woman somewhere. If your woman, a good woman, you just leave her and she come back home and she just normal, you see me? So when you go work at night time, what you do with her?
Let me tell you something man, this when me I go work at night time, she have to come with me now. And while me I work, she sleep out the door. In the car.
Jeez.
What you mean? Me not left her for them a dirty man around. Me know them around there, you know.
Bro, listen to me. You say if a woman want a good woman, you don't have to worry yourself. You worry yourself about scrubby road. If your woman a good woman, you go work and come home and you still see your woman in your yard.
Me tell you
nobody not touch her.
She in the house right now, so I don't talk too loud. But guess what now? You see what happened to me before? Can't happen to me again, you know. You understand me I say? You see the bun thing, what me get before? Easter, for Christmas, for New Year's, all these things, nah happen to me again, brother. Guess what we go on? You see this one, yeah, you see if me ever hear say she give me bun. Chop off in a clean, kill she. And me I'll kill myself too. And a rum talk. You understand that?
Alright, listen.
You better know that.
Me hear what you say.
Mm-hmm.
Me go around what you say, but me one nice pretty girl with some pretty eyes, short and well nice natural hair.
Mm-hmm.
And they go up. So
watch out for your bun. If she what you know for do still? Your tongue still here, yes sir?
yeah.
Bun. They're on something there. Bun. Get too much bun for it. I don't understand this, man. Don't go in here, sir. Because I can't bother with a bun conversation. Check. Sweetie, you in there?
Yes, babe.
Now come in. Yeah. Why you put my beer? Candy, baby.
Hold on.
That's one time to go walk in and stuff. You know, so we have to get ourselves. Because we don't want to reach late. So when you eat your food, because you have a nice little nap. You want to put on data on your phone? Yeah, because you don't need to look at data. You might want to watch like on Netflix. Because I get the Netflix from me. My sister is foreign. So she can put it on. Yeah, so you can get a little time to watch movie and fall asleep if you want.
You know, I say 6 months now, me dey down here. And I don't know nowhere in your little community where you live.
So what you want to know?
Not even out of the gate you have to say me no know. Because at night time when you go to work, you carry me with you and that at night. So I not even get to see my community proper. I don't know nobody. I just lock up in my house and now go nowhere. And for the 6 months when me here there, every month when me see me period, I tell you say I want to go buy stay free. You go buy it for me. You say you don't want no more picnic. I tell you say me go buy the pill them a pharmacy. You say no, you go and buy it for yourself and then carry on give me. Me I wonder if I throw a few money or me no know what you don't want to give me no money for me go spend and buy things for myself. Anything I want in my house, you go to supermarket, everything are you. Why you don't want me to go nowhere?
Your locks tight. Your locks too tight, man. Something not going on, man. You know, I lose. Which one? You losing screws up there? You feel say, me, big me, put on me beer, me, I go make them the dirty dog there, out the road there. Come get none of this. You see, Bun I don't want nice something. I me been there, done that. Your last part, done that. You hear that? So, anything you want, or whenever you want to go somewhere, we can discuss it. But for right now, I walk here go with me. I don't know what dear.
Babe, at 2 days time of my period, you know. And the stay free them where you buy the last time them finish from the last month me see me period.
Okay.
I would like if you give me money now for me go to supermarket go buy it. I want to go myself. I don't want you to buy nothing for me. Every month you go buy it. Why me can't go? You don't want me know no way. Me know fi know nobody. Every time you lock me up in my house.
Alright, you see that wallet over there, sir? Let me see how much money in it. Give me how much money in it. You now got no money. Me I go buy it for you. Backside there. Boy, you want to go road. Go road go do what? You know hear that? I'll be a shot about out there, so. You never hear that? You're secure, that's it, you know. Or you want to go to the sucker for put yourself at risk. I'll be a dog out the door, you know. The time change. You're living at this is the wild, wild west. That's how we survive down here, so. Secure. You know, so me a security guard. A security, maybe. Yeah, that's how the thing set. So I have to secure myself and me can secure you. And me a work and me a go take care of you. So anything when you think about if you go out and all these things, just enjoy going to work with me. Alright?
Me no hear no shot of fire out there. You don't want me to go nowhere.
You need no shot of fire? Also you want to hear? You want to hear shot of fire? You don't know where there? Well, get what you want. What you say you want? You want the big part this time or you want the little part? Which one you want? Or you talk about me not buy the right one. Which one you part you want? Stay free, maxi with wings, or you want the maternity part? Which one?
Buy the one where your grandma used to wear.
Oh. So you start going on the different levels of misery and face, you know. Ungrateful soon come next. Right behind it, not true? Me go put that conversation down.
You not go buy this something, me say 2 days time and people cycle can change. But me cannot go and go buy it.
Go buy it, man.
You sit down and argue with me. See me argue with you?
Me not argue with you, you know. Me no need to argue with you. Me don't know my thing. Me go lock this door. You're not going nowhere today. Nowhere you're not going. You? Left yourself. Watch out. What you feel? So you are go. Where you go? Where you go? Back side. Me a security, me a secure my pums. My pums. A fi me eat. Fi me eat. Backside there, boy, you gonna know.
Tired of this now. Can't take it no more. You lock me up in a house every time. Come here, come see me.
How the place looks up? Candy? No, sir. Where you there, Candy? What you say? You can't come back. You can't come back country. Wait, you can't country. You come back, you soon come back. You soon come back. Oh, jeez. Candy. You gonna trim me here too. Candy. No, you soon come, you go to work. How am I go function at work? I don't know see out the door. Eh? No, Candy, you can't. Don't do this to me, Candy. 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 No, sir. God, damn. Yeah, man, guess what I go on now? You see, if you don't love that video, then want to subscribe, want to like it, want to share. Just do the right thing, you know what I mean? Big up my brethren, Spoony videos. We are trying to push the thing because it's one family. You know what I mean? My name is Kemar and that's a public report, you know what I mean? So go and check over my part as well, Public Report Official. And you see Candy was a part of the video. She always do her thing, you know what I mean? It's a part of the Richard Brown crew. So guess what? Go support her. It's Candy Empress, you know what I mean, on YouTube. So guess what? Go support the thing, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you all so far. Because I see the, you know what I mean? I see the connection. You know what I mean? Spoony, I get it. Public Report, I get it. Candy Empress, I get it. Richard Brown Films, I get it.
Long time! Bless up on yourself. Subscribe to Richard Brown Films. You don't know, so we can't left out the Dan and the boss. I got pitney that and him bless. Let me tell you something. Who God bless, no man curse. Richard Brown to the world. This is Candy Empress from Richard Brown Films.
Yeah.
Go and subscribe to Candy Empress channel on YouTube. Public Report channel. Spoony
videos.
channel.
Spoony videos.
Spoony videos.
Yeah,
one channel still on TV on YouTube. You want to subscribe over there right now.